this right here is the M12 FID2 brushless impact driver. Now this baby runs on the Milwaukee M12 battery platform, and this is a direct upgrade on the existing FID model. With this, Milwaukee have made a variety of technological and quality of life improvements. Now visually, this driver is very compact, measuring in at just 127mm long. This makes it even more optimised for working in those tight spaces, which many people already go to 12 volt. And whilst it may be smaller, it is also more powerful. This driver packs up to 170 newton meters of torque compared to the 147 newton meters from the older model, proving that size doesn't always matter. Mode 1 is for precision work, Mode 2 helps prevent damage to fasteners and material, Mode 3 delivers maximum performance running at the drill's full potential, and Mode 4 is a self-tapping mode for when you're working in metal. A key design change with this new generation impact driver is the new Tri-LED job light, which is surrounding the chuck to improve visibility in low light environments. And let's not forget, this is a fuel tool, so it is packed with all of the best Milwaukee technology. It has a brushless power state motor, which is designed to give you years of maintenance-free runtime, and not forgetting RedLink Plus technology, which allows the tool to communicate with the battery, which prevents overloading and overheating. So if you're looking for maximum power in the smallest space possible, then get your hands, or hand really, on the Milwaukee M12 FID2 brushless impact driver, available now at its.co.uk.